Hi, Mark Kohler here. Let's talk about tax breaks that could trigger an audit. Obviously something all of us want to avoid. Now I want to suggest 5 areas to look out for in filing your tax return. Number 1, look out for suspicious numbers. Things that just look out of the ordinary. If you have a type of business where you stay at home or in an office, then it would be odd if you had a lot of travel expenses. If you're in a business that's home-based or on the internet, why would you have a big rent expense or something like that? So look out for suspicious numbers that really wouldn't fit your type of business. Number 2, if you're a small business owner, be careful of the sole proprietorship. Not only do you pay more taxes with a sole proprietorship, but they are the most likely to be audited. Typically, if your business is growing, you're going to want to move to an incorporation or a 2-member LLC scenario where you could file a separate tax return and reduce your chances of an audit substantially. Number 3, whether you have a small business or not, look out for taking expenses with round numbers. I'm always a little suspicious myself when my client says, oh, we spent exactly $1,500 on this or $2,000 on that. There's always cents and change and taxes and little things like that that would make a round number a little odd and stand out. Number 4, probably one of the best ways to avoid an audit is filing your tax return on time. Even if you can't pay your tax return, make sure it's at least properly filled out with your name, the exact address, your social security number, and you file it on time. I know that sounds odd, but so many people get into problems with the IRS because they don't file. Now let me say just filing an extension is fine, but by at least the deadline with a valid extension, make sure you file a return. Even if you can't pay, get on a payment plan or work out a deal, but file your tax return. Finally, look up what's called the Dirty Dozen. Every year the IRS publishes the Dirty Dozen tax scams or schemes out there that can get you in hot water with the IRS in a quick way.